Welcome. My name is Derek Sang. I'm the Technical Training Manager of Bulwark Protection. A question we get often is, what about additives, specifically stain removers, brands like Shout, Spray and Wash? The easy answer is yes. You can use those to help assist in removing stains from your flame-resistant arc-rated clothing without any worries. In fact, you can even take an additional step with stains and take them to a dry cleaner. That all being said, remember this: staining in and of themselves is not an indicator that you have compromised your FR properties. Now, if you wash those garments and those stains still smell like accelerant, aka fuel, keep laundering until they're gone. In fact, you can keep using that stain remover, soaking them, but make sure that odor is gone. With that, stay safe, stay healthy. Derek out.